Walang gutom means no more hunger. And that is the dream of this administration.
A big dream in response to a big challenge. President Marcos even sought the private sector's help to solve the country's big hunger problem. San Miguel Corporation immediately heeded the call. It's building a dozen mega poultry farms all over the country. The president himself inaugurated the first, located in Davao del Sur's Hagonoy town. The mega farm can produce up to 80 million birds yearly, equivalent to 200 million kilos live weight.
Ito pong tawag nyo, nagawa na po namin, and we will make sure na we will continuously develop and make more meaningful project to help create job and minimize the reliance on imported food.
SMC President and CEO Ramon Ang says the farm will produce affordable yet high-quality and healthy chickens, since their well-being is the priority while they're growing. The facility has sufficient space so the birds can move freely and with less stress. The design also features controlled climate technology and air quality monitoring system, stringent biosecurity measures to ensure they are safe from any disease, 100% antibiotic-free. Their feeding and watering systems also automated, and a lot of cutting-edge technology that are in line with the best environmental practices.
Sa susunod po, lahat po ito, sa sobrang dami ng ating manok mapoproduce, may export pa natin yan sa Filipino community sa abroad. Yung mga adobo, di ba? Yung mga kung ano-ano pagkain Pilipino.
So these are all the technologies that are available around the world. Dapat i-adapt natin. Kaya natin ipinapakita ngayon na pwede naman talaga tayo mag-produce ng sapat.
The farm also seeks to create thousands of jobs for locals, while the additional chicken supply may also help bring down prices for consumers.
You know, if fully operational itong ating poultry farm dito, no, we will be the biggest producer of chicken in the whole Philippines.
11 more mega poultry farms are set to rise in the near future, including one in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. President Marcos and Ang believe this will not only help boost the country's food security, but also bring progress in the Bangsamoro region. Remitio, CNN Philippines, Hagonoy, Davao del Sur.